The chest expansion, it's a Pilates move using our resistance band. So reference, I have 20. It's hooked up at the top of my door hook. I'm going to make sure it's nice and square. And my loops are pulled in. My arms are shoulder width apart. I have my other bands here just in case I need to switch them out. Stand as close as you need to the door in a straight line from your head to your butt. Bring your heels together so you're squeezing your center line. Pull down and hold, squeeze your center line, and release. What I mean is your heels are pushing together. It's like you have a lotto ticket in your inner thighs. They're zipping up. Everything's hugging together when you do this exercise, so your legs are not apart. I'm going to show you again. Squeeze everything together. Pull down and hold. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. And release. Pull down, inner thighs zip up. And release. Precision points. My hips are forward. My shoulders are square. My eyes are looking forward. You'll notice there's a straight line from my head to my butt. Chest expansion. Now, if those are getting easy, you can always add the looks. Here's the looks. Pull down and hold. Look right. Look center. Look left. Look center. And the opposite way, pull. Look left, center, right, center, and release. Now when you're here, it wants to pull you forward. Squeeze your inner thighs. Don't let it while you look. Pull in your belly and release. Chest expansion with the looks and without.